and this is for another label. At this time I will move quickly for this label. Okay, I will choose the fix the width is to the 315 and the height is the 70. I move it to the 70. I will fix the width and the height, and I will keep it to the center. Okay, but at this time I will move this label. It's not handle the top of the view. I will separate, make it lower from the stopwatch label about 10 pixels. Okay, now first of all I choose this label. Okay, and add this and make it to the horizontal center. Okay, and next I will fix the height and the width. Okay, 315 and 70, and at this time I move this label to under the stopwatch about 10 pixels. I make it to the 10. I click turn on this, add tree content. Okay, now you see we have some content for this label, and you can see the result on the right side of the preview. When we rotate the label at iPhone 4-inch, you can see some label right out the stopwatch, and the purchase at iPhone 4.7 is okay. iPhone 5.5 is okay. You can check by yourself by run, because I think the preview is similar like the output on our simulator. Yeah, you can see we had the content for the two label. It's okay. Okay, now next I will add some content for the clear button. Okay, at this time I didn't use some here. I didn't use the button in the here. We will use some content by, first of all, we click the clear button and keep the control and drag it to this and choose vertical spacing. So what does this mean? It means that you make the button is make a vertical spacing for with the timer label. And you can see at the right side of the entity window, when you click the clear, you can see and click the ruler on the right side, you can see some top space. So we have to we make a top space with the time label here is about 10, equal to 10. Okay, you can choose whatever you want, but it's equal to 10. Now we add more content to this clear button by fix the width and the height by keep control and drag it to the clear button, and you can choose width and another for clear button and choose the height. And so you can see now on the right side we have the width equal to 70, height equal to 30. So we fix the width and the height is 70 and 30. Okay, now it's similar like stopwatch. I will handle this clear button to the center of the view control. So we have to choose in here, we choose horizontal. Here we add this to the center. Now we have clear button is fixed first. You can see we have a different way to add the content for the button or for some element on our interface, but I like to use the pin button or align button in here because it's very clearly for you to determine how to add some interface, add some content for our button. Okay, next with this button, how we can add some content for it. Okay, for next for button, you can add another content. You can add another content for this button, but I will show you it's a different way to make the content for all of this button. By we add one more view, a clear view. We set view inside the untidy window. We can see the view here. We drag it to here. Okay, extract the view inside here, and now I change the size of this view to 320, and the height is about 50. Okay, this is our view. And now I will drag some button, this button, this four button to this view. I drag it inside of this view. Okay, I make the background of this view. You can easily choose this button and you choose a view in here. And I change the background of this view, for example, to the yellow for easily controlling. Okay. Now we drag the play button a little bit smaller to here. You can use arrow on the keyboard to move it. Okay, now for this views, we move the four button inside of this view, and now I change this view to the clear background to the clear color. Okay, now on our works is make the constraints for this view only, and this is automatically move along with our four button. Okay, so we can choose a view in the left side, and now we add more constraint for this. Similar, I will fix the horizontal center for this view. Okay, and we will fix the width and the height. Okay, and now I move the verticals, the spacing about 0. Okay, we add more 3 constraint. Okay, now you can see we have a little yellow arrow in here. When you click here, you can see we have some for view. We expect, depend on our constraint, is about the x is about 140 and y is 176, but the actual size is 130. So you can simply move the views to the x and y address like this, or you can choose little triangle here and choose update frame, fix misplacement, and our view will correct. Okay, and you can see at the right side here, now stopwatch, time label, some button here is correct, and we can make the last one constraints for our table. Similar, you can choose table and choose some constraint here. We can handle it to the center. Okay, at this time I only want to the table is have a little separate, little distance with the left side, with the right side. For the top, I can move it to the 0, distance 0, and for the bottom, we can move it the, okay, I can make it 10, a small constraint, and you can see now for on the right side preview, you can see we have some reason is perfect, but now at the here you can see the yellow and it's similar. We have to fix misspelling. Okay, now our view is perfect. You can see the result by run the simulator. Yeah, I think it's perfect now. We have some clear button, play button, stop, lap. When you rotate, it will automatically lay out for us. Okay, Now you can check for another device like iPhone 5s. It's perfect. Okay, I think it's perfect for you. So at this time you can see our interface is perfect now. In the lecture, I will help you to hook all of these elements to our code to control this. Okay, see you in the lecture.